Hey, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is the place you come for tips and tricks, hacks and mods to make your camping adventures more fun. Hey, today we're going to fix a hole we got down a really bad storm, tropical storm down on the Gulf. And I had a temporary aluminum patch on there, but we're going to do the lap sealant RV roof cement. It's just self-leveling. And anyways, I had an old one that was starting to go bad again. And then the new one, so we're going to fill those in with some lap sealant, self-leveling, so it's really easy, $10 for a tube. You can also use aluminum or fiberglass. Aluminum tape works really well in a pinch, or duct tape, but I did aluminum tape and then duct tape over it, and it never had a problem. All right, let's get her done. Hey, this tube's about a year old. I used it on my last pop-up camper, so and it's really cold out, so I'm going to smooth this out a little bit and make it not so thick. Take it down so there's not a mountain of stuff on here. But it is 35 degrees out. It says you can use in cold weather or warm weather. Anyways, we had a lot of rain yesterday, and getting ready to take it out on its first voyage of the year. So I'm going to smooth this out, and then we'll throw a picture in at the end.